My name is Gursharan Kaur and I'm from India. It was very hard to me to find a job here, and I was dropping my resume door to door and I didn't even get a single response. Then suddenly I got a chance to meet my friend and he suggested me for CatholicCare. You change my resume as much as you can, and I was lucky that time because I visited CatholicCare. So, and even after when you modified it, and after this one day I went to the district nurses where I'm working at the moment, and on the first day when they saw my resume, on the same day they selected me and they invited me for the interview. I'm very lucky. I'm doing 3 jobs at the moment, one with the district nurses in Muna as a community support worker, and the second is a disability support worker with the Montague, which is very next to CatholicCare, and the third one is interpreting. This is a good platform to help people who are in need. You must visit CatholicCare so that somebody assists you for the right pathway.
I am Motushi Dash. I came to Australia in February 2018, so it's been 3 years and 3 months. I started looking for a job as soon as I arrived here, but I wasn't very sure what kind of job I should look for. When I got in touch with Safe Haven, I got a direction that, okay, I made a schedule to look for jobs. So this is how I became more organized. I was looking for a specialist or a guidance. So that's what I got. And when I got in regular contact with Safe Haven, when I know that I'm improving in these areas, my confidence also improved. Having employees from different backgrounds or cultures is beneficial. It brings skills, it brings a lot of different perspective in the workplace.
Blueline Laundry, we're a not-for-profit organisation, but we would prefer to say we're a for-purpose organisation. That purpose is to provide meaningful employment for people that are suffering disadvantage or from disadvantaged backgrounds, and we do that through providing employment through our 2 commercial laundries in Hobart and Launceston. We see a number of people that arrive here as a new Australian, called background, and they've been unable to gain employment with an organisation. They might get a little bit of casual work here and there, and then they come in the door, they feel at home, they feel that they wanted, they're using skills that they've gained in other areas, and so it builds their own confidence. But the other thing it does for them, it gives them experience within an Australian workplace, which is something that they've struggled to gain a lot of the time. Recently, we were looking for some people that had specific skills around certain things. There was computing and there was a number of other areas, and we run a survey across our staff just to see what we could identify, and at the time we had people with over 30 degrees or higher within our workplace. Everything from pharmacy, computer networking, masters in computer networking, accountants, lawyers are all within our workplace. And so we've actually been able to now take some of those people and utilise their skills within other areas of the laundry at a great benefit to ourselves, but also a great benefit to the individuals.
I am a graduate Master of IT student and currently working at Blueline and at Chemist Warehouse as well. What I feel the best thing about Blueline is when we give resume, when you send resume, they just don't see the qualification that you need for the particular thing. Like for example, I applied for the production hand before. They just didn't see the qualification or the experience that need for the production, and they saw the other qualification that I have. So that's the thing that every employee should think. Like when we give resume, they should, they sometimes there's something extra thing in the resume as well.